Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset advertising ID on your Android or Samsung phone. Now this ID is very much like a cookies on your web page. It will keep track of all your activities so that it can deliver ads personalized based on what you have browsed or based on what you have done on your device. So you cannot completely remove this advertising ID, but you can reset it. And by regularly resetting your advertising ID, you can clean up logs information that build up over time, and this can help you to get more storage for your device. So to reset your advertising ID, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on privacy. Next, we go down and tap on ads. In here, tap on reset advertising ID and then tap on confirm. So say this replaces the device's advertising ID with a new random number. Apps can still show your ads, but for a while they might not be as relevant or interesting to you. Tap on the confirm button to continue. So this is really to help the device to deliver personalized ads so that it's more related to what you are doing on your device. By resetting it, you are clearing all the information and give your phone a new slate. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.